cold exposure.
Cold water immersion.
Cold.
It's freezing cold water.
Well, it certainly wasn't the greatest day to be outdoors, especially for those of us who can't stand the cold, but several people challenged that notion today by taking the plunge into Kempenfelt Bay.
Just want to make sure that you're safe, you make sure you're breathing. I'm Josh Hewitt, Popcorn Fitness. I work with people improving their health and wellness, and this has become one of the huge aspects of practices of promoting health and wellness is cold exposure. So we're going to get into talking a little bit about the benefits of cold exposure. I'm going to take you through some movement to get warmed up. Ian is going to get you into guiding through the breath work, and then we're going to go in together. Thanks for coming out. Woo! Woo!
Well, what actually happens to the body, once we undergo sort of cold therapy or we're experiencing cold?
Yeah, so it's so when you go into the cold water, what happens is that when you go in, the cold receptors in your skin will sense that it's cold, send a signal to the brain where we have this temperature regulating center. And this center in the hypothalamus will sort of balance out, well, is this cold or is this hot? If it's cold, it will send out signals in the body saying, uh-oh, this is cold, we have to be careful. So these signals are norepinephrine, for example, which will make your, which will help contracting the veins in your capillaries, in your skin. So you will have all your warm blood circulating to the core of your body, because you need to keep your vital organs warm, right? So it's kind of a fight and flight system. So it's the sympathetic activation of your central nervous system.
Just dreaming of a little group, and it just started to grow and grow, and I couldn't be happier. People think we're crazy, but once you do it, you understand why.
Dozens braving the cold early this morning at Centennial Beach. They call themselves cold water enthusiasts and held this open invitational plunge to teach willing participants the benefits of cold water immersion. We caught up with a few coming out of the water to see just how cold it was.
Like, feels like mentality, like you feels like you just born 10 minutes ago.
That was awesome. I love it. I started just in October and just love it. It's so invigorating. You feel great. You come out, you actually feel warm. You don't even need a towel.
You're just in the moment. So I feel connected to everything. All the sensations. Feels really fabulous.
Well, it may not have been the best beach day. They say the water was just to their liking.